Hi guys! For today's video, may dumpling kami. So, binili namin to sa Japan. At siya binili niya to sa China.
Hi guys, this is the one I buy in China. Okay, I'm just gonna unbox it. Can you open it for me?
You got the rare one, bro.
OMG!
Oh my god! Your dumpling fell! So,
This is the rarest one.
open it please for me.
Okay. Wait, don't look first.
Okay.
Okay, open your eyes.
Hey! You just got my dumpling!
We had just the same,
Yeah.
but mine is bigger than him.
Mine is circle shape, your papaya shape. Kaso papaya shape ikaw eh.
And I have a ring. Look.
And he have and he's married. I stole her boyfriend.
I have a. This is my ring.
We're matching rings, so we're best friends. Hey, why did you do the middle finger?
And this is the Robux cube.
Hey,
I want this
you
because
stole that in my room, bro. We're here in our.
and I have one more. The monkey.
Hey, that's my monkey, bro.
Okay, you can speak that. But
Oh, this is your Rubik's Cube. Okay. Oh my
and this is my dumpling, guys. My hand dumpling. So squishy.
That's her hand, guys.
No,
That's
oh,
her
this
freaking
is my hands. Look, this is my squishy.
That's your red dumpling.
No,
hand.
guys, I'm not lying. Just look.
He's lying. Oh, you see? There's a red dumpling on it.
No, you're lying. You're so ugly like an elephant.
Hey, your other dumpling just popped. And you put water in it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
That's one.
That's lately. You just popped it.
My nose itchy.
Yeah.
But since we had a dumpling,
Yeah,
let me show you.
So ngayon, inggit kayo sa dumpling namin. Si Aling maliit, kapangit-pangit. So, what
And this is my rarest one. Just look at him. This way. Please like and subscribe.